Hey Furies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, KnoKnoFuri. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a full face of my most expensive makeup. Okay. Now listen, look, don't be expecting to see a bunch of YSL, Dior, Chanel, Gucci, none of that, okay? I got one designer item and it don't even match. If this is your first time here, welcome. Here we love all things makeup and beauty. Feel free to join the Fury fam. We're pretty lit over here, and let's get into the video. Okay, just straight jumping, you guys. My most expensive brow product would have to be HAUS Labs The Edge Brow Pencil. It retails for $20, okay? I love this product. You know, it's not my go-to, but I don't mind it. It is a good product. I'm just going to do my regular eyebrow routine by brushing up my brows and filling them in. It's funny though, because lately my go-to eyebrow product is the e.l.f. brow cream, which is only like $3. $3 or $8, I don't know how I got that mixed up. But it's like super cheap, but it's like hella good. So I'm just going to outline my brows. Okay, so that brow pencil is actually not too shabby. This actually looks really good. So I'm going to clean my brows up. I have two concealers that are the same price. So I have the Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpt, and then I also have the Becca Ultimate Coverage Concealer. So I'm going to go with the Born This Way just because the formula is a little bit thinner than the Becca. The Becca is kind of thick, and I don't want my brows to look weird. So yeah, we're going to use this one. This is in the shade Mahogany. And I'm just gonna blend that in. Now, if I was using my most expensive makeup brushes, this would be a different type of video because I got cheap makeup brushes, boo, except for like one set. I have a set that I got like years ago, Bedelium Tools, but it's like, honestly, I mean, they're okay. They're not my favorite brushes. I'm not gonna say I don't like them because I do love some of the brushes in that set, but I don't run to them, you know? I like some of my more affordable brushes better. Now, when it comes to my most expensive face primer, I would have to say it is the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Glow Primer, okay? This one it's worth a penny, it's worth the coin. The bee's knees. I really like it just because it's hydrating, it smooths, and it helps my makeup grip to my face, and it doesn't have any fragrance that'll, like, you know, annoy me or irritate my skin. It's a really good primer. I highly recommend it. So it was very close with some of them, but my most expensive foundation will have to be my NARS Sheer Glow. I had some Becca foundation that was kind of in that price range, but you know, Becca is actually going out of business. Here, that makes me so sad. Becca actually had some really bomb makeup. It was one of those brands that were like really low key, had the good stuff, but I'm just sad to see them go. But I did scoop what I needed before they went out of business, so expect a full face of Becca Cosmetics. The back of my hand, I think honestly, for the price of this foundation, which is $49 by the way, I feel like it should have came with a pump. It did not come with a pump. This is like the Maybelline Fit Me, where you have to like keep going like this for it to come out, which is kind of ghetto, but it's whatever. It's a really pretty foundation. If you can splurge on a foundation and you like dew, like you like a dewy finish, the NARS Sheer Glow is really pretty. So like I said, for concealer, we're gonna switch over to the Becca Ultimate Coverage Long Wear Concealer. Now this baby girl is actually kind of thick, but it's a really pretty concealer if you want to like hide like dark circles or anything, and it's pretty on the hydrating side. It doesn't dry matte at all. However, if you have oily skin, I would not use this concealer just because it does feel a little oily. But if you have dry skin, I feel like you would love this concealer. For my most expensive For my most expensive setting powder, it's going to be the Too Faced Primed and Poreless powder. It is like white, but it's like translucent. Like it doesn't leave like a white cast if you're dark skin or my shade. It's just translucent. It's clear. I'm going to contour with my most expensive bronzer palette. This is the Contour Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now, I never use this ever. Just because I feel like the shades in it aren't really my favorite. But I'm going to use this shade right here to contour. And then I might even dip into this orange as a blush today. Surprisingly, my most expensive eyeshadow palette is another one that I don't really dip into like that, but I'm gonna use it obviously for the purpose of the video. But it is the Smashbox Full Exposure palette. Now my ABH palettes came in second just because this one retails actually for $54. But it is a cool tone color story, and if you guys have been watching me for a long time, I rarely do gray eyeshadow looks or cool tone eyeshadow looks. It's just not my vibe, but we're gonna do it today, okay? Hey. So I'm going to take this cool tone brown right here, and I'm gonna sweep that all in my crease. I don't know, y'all, these shadows is kind of stiff. Oh no, they're not. I've had this palette like forever. It blends really nice. That's one thing I can say. Smashbox shadows actually aren't bad at all. They're actually very blendable, very good. But this color story just was not my favorite. But I like this brown though. I never really, let me find out. We're gonna keep it so simple. I'm going to take these two golds right here and mix them and put them on my lid. I'm gonna take the black shade here and I'm gonna smoke that across my eyelid at the bottom by my lash line. Get it together. My most expensive eyeliner, I'm sorry, is this Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil. I don't really splurge on like stuff that I can get like this. And then we're gonna smoke it out with the same black shadow on the bottom. My most expensive mascara will have to be the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. This retails for $26. And honestly, it's not my favorite mascara, but we're gonna use it, like I said, for sake of the video. Listen, I don't have any like super expensive lashes, so, and they're all out of the box, so, but these lashes that I'm actually about to put on are by my homegirl. I'm gonna put her Instagram on the screen. She has really cute, affordable lashes, you guys. Please check her out. She's a Latina own brand and she is bomb. Okay, I got my lashes on. So my most expensive blush, my most expensive blush will probably have to be the Bobbi Brown blush. I actually have a couple of these, but this is the shade that I want to use for my look. This is in the shade Clementine and it's the number 46. My most expensive highlighter is going to be the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. It retails for $40. If I didn't put the price for all of these, you guys, you know they'll be down below in the description box, and they will also be on the screen. Go into Tourmaline and Summer. Most expensive setting spray. This is the Korres Hydrating Face Mist. It's the HT H2O Rose. The most expensive lip combo will have to be MAC in the shade Fresh Brew, and this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Toffee. They're both pretty expensive. I'll put the price on the screen, but yep, that's what we're gonna finish off our look with. Well, you have it, you guys. This is the final look. A full face with my most expensive makeup. What are we thinking? Is she popping? Is she like that? I think that she's like that. Let's see. Get a close up. I had to change into a hoodie because it got cold in my house. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. If you like more like this, give me a big thumbs up. And yeah, you guys, I love you. Stay furious. Bye.